Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the new jetpack in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this jetpack, and to begin we're going to draw in the big circle in the back first. So this is probably going to be the hardest part. So if you can, just try to draw a nice circle. And you can use any kind of drawing aid to help you. Sketch it out first, like what I've done. Okay, so it's just gonna be one big circle, and then we're gonna draw a smaller one inside. Okay, so from that smaller one, we're just gonna split this one in half. So we just go straight down, and then we're gonna draw another circle. So this is just a beveled edge on this inside circle. Okay, and then from here we're gonna draw those three bars. So the easy way to do this is to kind of just draw in a curve on the inside a little bit, and then draw another one. And after that, we're just gonna give it some thickness. So we're gonna draw another one up here. So this one in the center, and then two on the side. Okay, so once we have that, all we have to do is just kind of curve these, and then just curve it around. So curve, connect that, and then the top here, curve, and connect that. All right, and then from here, we're just adding a little bit more detail. So just from the tip here, just curve it around. So just gotta be another circle, but just from these two tips. All right, so that's probably the trickiest part. So let's move on to the rest. Let's draw in the bottom first. So in the bottom here on this side, we're just gonna come down. This one will be easy. We're just gonna draw one rectangle, and then right next to it, we're gonna draw a bigger one right around there. And then we're gonna draw another one just coming down. It's almost symmetrical. Just come down here and just come across, and then we'll just close everything off. Okay, and then from there, we will split this one in half like that, and then we're gonna draw in a bunch of little lines inside. Okay, and then from here, there's gonna be a button here, so it's just gonna be a rectangle. And we can add in a little bit more detail. We can just add in two lines right here. All right, so now let's move on. Let's draw the top then. So we're gonna go up right in the middle. We're just gonna draw, okay, almost like a rectangle. And then from there, we're gonna split it like this. And then in the middle, we're gonna draw one line across. And then we're gonna draw, it's gonna be two little bolts. And then from here, we're gonna draw this little top section. We're just gonna curve it. And then we're gonna go up. And then we're gonna curve it again. So this is some kind of cover. All right, so now let's draw the tank. So the tank in here. So we just go out from here, just go out straight. And then we're gonna curve it all the way down behind the circle. So out. And then we're just gonna curve it. And then in the tank itself, we can add in, there's gonna be a circle and then a triangle. So I'm just adding in some detail. And then there's gonna be some kind of, looks like a button. Okay, so that's the middle part. So now let's draw in the boosters on the side. So for the boosters, let's start, let's start from up here. So we're gonna go up, slightly across, and then we're gonna curve down. Okay, so about that wide. So we're gonna come down here, just gonna come straight down, same placement as here. So now we can continue with this one. We're gonna go straight down, and then we just close it off. Okay, and then let's draw in the bottom here, so we're gonna keep going. Just slant it in, close it off, then one little sharp point there. Okay, so before we add in more detail, let's draw in the other side first. So we're gonna come across and we're gonna start about here. Try to draw the same thing so you can use the other side as a reference. Come across, okay, and then just curve it down, and now again straight down, and then for this side as well, just go straight down. Just try to get it so that it's an equal thickness on both sides. Okay, so once we're down here, we'll close it off. We're gonna continue on, same thing, slant in, close it off, and then the one little tip a little bit around it. Alright, so let's draw in this little panel behind this. So to draw this, just draw like a little long rectangle in here on the side. And then we'll go from the inside, just kind of draw it down, extend the line, and then we're gonna curve it. Alright, so we're gonna draw the same thing on the other side, so we're just gonna draw one long rectangle. Both sides. And come down, use the other side as reference, and we'll just close it off with a curve. And then for the details in there, we'll just draw in some lines. Okay, so start in the middle, draw 2 lines, then go to the side, draw another 2 lines, and go to this side, draw another 2 lines. Now let's finish off some of the tubing before we start on the details here. So for this tubing here, start on a little bit lower, curve out and curve up, and then we just kind of connect it to the inside edge. Okay, so once you have that, we can draw in the other one. So we're gonna start here. We just kind of give the line some thickness, and then just connect to that. Okay, so on the other side, it's gonna be the same. So we're starting a little bit lower. Just curve and curve up, and then just meet up with that. And then once you have that, we're just gonna give this line some thickness, curve, and then connect. So it doesn't have to be exactly the same as long as there's some kind of tubing. All right, so let's see. We need to connect this. We need to draw in 2 lines right here so that it looks like it's one solid piece. So drawing a line at the top. And then here, come down lower, just another line. And then now we got draw in, looks like some kind of gauge here. So we're gonna curve. So somewhere in the middle, just come straight down and just curve it, close it back off. And then in here, there's gonna be some kind of markings. So we'll just draw a bunch of little lines across. Okay, so let's draw the other side. So we're gonna come across. I'm drawing it this way, but you can draw it the other way as well. I'm just trying to get the placement. And then a bunch of lines across. Okay, and then let's see, there's gonna be a bar here. So right underneath here, we're gonna draw one line, and then we're gonna draw another line up here. Okay, so we're gonna come across here, then draw another line up here. And then we're gonna add in these little stripes. So we just kind of slant it this way. Just kind of space it out as evenly as possible. And then on this side, we're gonna go this way. So now we're just drawing it. Same slant, but just going the other way. Mine's a little wobbly. Okay, and then let's see, there's gonna be a little vent on the bottom here. So this one's easy. Just gonna draw a rectangle and then a bunch of little lines. The same thing on the other side. And then there's gonna be some bolts here, so I'll just draw 1, 2, I'll just draw 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think that's about it. And lastly, there's a little bit of tubing in here as well. So I'll just draw in curve like that. And I'll just give that line some thickness. And that is it for this very cool looking jetpack in Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up and I will see you next time.